Hello everyone. Welcome to Advice International, a diversified platform for learning. This video is particularly for the beginners who are trying to learn about parts of speech. So, before moving on into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Stay with us till the end of this video and let us know how much you have learned. So, let's get started. Today we will learn verbs and adjectives. Verbs are action words. Verbs can take present, past or participle forms. It is possible to change the verb according to the subject and tense of the sentence. For example, they are running in the field. Here running is an action, so it's a verb and it's in the present form. Birds are flying in the sky. Here flying is the verb because it's the action of the birds. Now, adjectives are words that describe nouns and pronouns. For example, Mr. John is a kind man. Here the word kind describes the noun, which is the name of the person, and that is Mr. John. So, kind is the adjective here. Everyone admires her because of her beauty. Here the adjective is beauty because it describes the pronoun her. We have reached the end of our video. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. See you guys in the next video with more parts of speech.